What's up? Crypto Muscle. Come to another YouTube video. Here we are, internationally renowned worldwide. Think of this words at Crypto Muscle and the Crypto Muscle Network coming to you another video. Let's take a look over here at ZynQore. Alright, it's been a minute. I feel like it's been a minute since I talked about ZynQore. I touched on it last week while I was on my vacation. So this time we're gonna dig into it a little bit more this week. And you know what? The more I think about it, I got a hole on my Monday schedule now with X12 no longer in the play. So I want to use ZynQore as my new one. That's going to be the face of my Monday, Thursday. And I'm going to do a couple of different platforms that I'm going to be doing on Mondays and Thursdays. Alright, and that'll be ZynQore, GelDeFi, maybe Zeta25. We'll see about Zeta25. But these are the two for sure right now. And ZynQore is going to be that dog, or the top dog. And so with that, let's take a look here. Empowering your crypto investments with ZynQore, alright? So they got a professional team, data security, instant payments, they said. We're going to put that to the test once again. They have 4 different categories of platform plans here. You got the TI, which is token investment. TA is trading arbitrage tariffs. DeFi is DeFi investments tariffs. And lastly, derivatives and futures tariffs. So obviously, you have low, medium-ish. Alright, this is more of a higher medium than high risk. Alright, and what it is that it's the amount of money you want to put in, alright, as part of it, but the biggest thing is commitment. You're ranging from 15 days, 25 days, 40 days, and 65 days, alright? So these plans basically is a matter of commitment. So the lower the commitment and the amount of days, 15 days, your daily earnings are not going to be as high. The risk is technically lower. Right, and then you look at TA here, a little bit higher returns. Again, more calendar days committed. Alright, and then as you continue on here, you can see, alright, all these accruals are on business days, so keep that in mind too. But again, when you look at it, you're going to have higher rate of returns, just more days committed. And then lastly, see how the DF has the highest rate of returns. Again, longer commitment and great overall ROIs. And the thing with all these plans in common is that you get your deposit back at the end of your duration here. Alright, so they do Bitcoin, Tether, BNB, Tron, and Litecoin. All are fees minimal and fast, except for Bitcoin obviously, but Bitcoin is the godfather of all crypto, so it's going to be in every sort of situation, just about. But they also offer low cost in terms of fees and all that alternatives, and speed. These are going to be faster. Alright, so with all that, you can see here, start to use the platform, choose your solution, witness it flourish or earn, and then collect. And let's see here, some strategic partners coming soon on Google Play and App Store. They have a Telegram community with great support. Alright, again, another company that offers great support is always helpful when that is definitely needed in this space. Online time 9 to 5. Alright, when it comes to when they're online for that technical help. But the best way to go about it is in the Telegram group, where they seem to always be available in the Telegram group. And so with that, let's go inside. All right, so this is what we got going on here. Total withdrawal so far, 101. All right. Got a little bit higher this time because I've been able to check in a certain amount of days. So now it's time to really, like I said, I'm going to really push over the line this time in terms of content creation. I believe this thing's going to be a nice haul for the run. All right, so 101 taken out. We got 282 in the balance, and active. All right, you can see here I have 2,500 bucks into 2 plans. So I did DeFi 2 and then DF1. All right, so I got 1 medium, 1 high range, high risk plan. That way you could kind of see and gauge, you know, how to go about it there on what the earnings are daily. Let's go straight to it. Let's just withdraw it, huh? All right, just 282.94. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. 282.94. Oops. Let's go back. Tether. There we go. I had to check it. And 282. Let's put it 282. Next step. No fees. Right. And hit it. And that's a long, is that a long batch ID I see? Yep, 282. You know what that means? When I mean instant, I mean instant. Where's that dick bag at, man? That dickhead Marcos, you know he's hiding in the buckle brush. When I mean instant, I mean instant. That dickhead. Alright. Yes, it is that instant. I busted it on my pants. That's how fast that was. Alright, 282. Damn, that's crazy. So you can see here, withdrawal information. $5 to $50,000 withdrawal limits. Processing time instant, as you witnessed. In a long batch ID, when there's a long batch ID, it's definitely busting on my pants, blazing fast, instant. All right. Of course, that dickbag Marcos. Where's that dickhead at? All right, let's go look for him. He's somewhere around here. I gotta find him. He's hiding. But he was saying it in the bushes. All right. He was saying it in the bushes, man. That dickhead. Where's he at? Oh, I gotta look for that dickbag, man. There he is, right there. There he is. That dickhead. Look at that. Look at that dickhead over here, man. What a douchebag. All right. He's always hiding in the buckle brush. He knows, and he knows that you know, when it comes to this, he loves that shit. You know, that's the thing about him. All right. 1, he's a dick. 2, he loves instant. And so 3, he's a bitch for Jan. Alright, so let's go look for, where's Jan at? That bald-headed dildo, where's he at? I'm looking for that bald-headed dildo there. Somewhere around here. There he is. The bacon man! Give me that sauce! He's always talking about that sauce. Oh yeah, he loves sauce, alright. That dickhead too, man. This bald-headed dildo. Alright. He's the least of my concerns. This is the dick right here. Alright, he loves instant shit. He's a bitch for Jan and a bitch for crypto. And one of the worst examples you could follow in this space. Alright, when it comes to the arrogance, the cockiness, And he thinks he's the gift in crypto, man. So fuck you, Marcos. Yeah. All right. So, but man, anytime you have that instant stuff, he just loves that shit. He loves that shit. Like a little bitch that he is. So yeah, there it is for you. All right. ZynQore. All right. Blazing fast, busting out my pants instant. All right. So that's what we got going on there. How you get started? All right. So we'll go to the new deposit page here. So pick your crypto. All right. Pick your crypto. So let's say how you want to grow your Litecoin, right? So you click on that. Now choose which category you want, depending on how much you wanted to put into it, right? So in the TI, you have something for everybody. All right, for 15 days. So if you're kind of like new in the space and you're looking for something, you're like, oh, okay, now let me check out what ZynQore is about, right? But you're new, you're trying to learn. This is a great platform to kind of learn, right, with beginner's money right here. TA is stepping it up a notch, right? Yeah, a little bit of beginner's money, but at the same time, you want to increase your risk a little bit and have a great return. Boom, TA it is, right? But what if you want to step it up just a tad more in terms of commitment, daily earnings, right? Again, you can step up the risk just a little bit, right? And then lastly, if you feel like, you know what, I've been a veteran in this thing for a while now, I feel like I can actually, you know, take advantage of these nice returns. I'm confident in going for 65 days. I'm willing to put in a little bit more money. Boom, there it is for you right there. All right, just like that. So, so again, there's a plan for everybody, and that's what's great about ZynQore. And that's the reason why I'm going to start doing more video content about ZynQore. I think I kind of took a look. I took a look at it, and I think I really almost dismissed how great this thing can be. All right, I underestimated the potential of this thing, and then that's why I'm going to go full bore, and we're going to do another update video this week, taking a look at it once again. All right, with its legacy-like qualities. Kind of reminds me of some platforms we dealt with in the recent past, not past, but recent past. All right, let's say within the past year. All right, I feel like we've been in a platform, not necessarily in terms of what they have to offer here, but just the feel of it. I feel like we've been working with this sort of system before, in a sense. But you have a range of plans that are flexible. You have plans that are suited for everybody. You have cryptos to choose from that can be for everybody that wants to grow that crypto. And it's instant withdrawals. I mean, what more can you ask for? Alright, so check out ZynQore. Take a look at it. You saw everything that's going on now. Blazing fast withdrawals. They have a supportive Telegram group. They have a plan for everybody. You want to go short, kick the tires, boom, 15 days. You want to go long range, you got 65 days, better rate of returns at the same time. So there's something for everybody, right? And I like platforms that offer something for everybody. All right, I think that's the best way to kind of just make sure that everybody's afforded an opportunity, and that's what I really like about it. So take a look at it, see if it's something for you. All right, I have links in the description for everything I'm in. I also have a Telegram group if you want to chat it up with me. And I just want to say thank you because my Telegram group is growing along nicely. All right. And also, I have my link tree if you like mashed up music. I'm working on some new material to try to see if I could come up with some new mashups. But in the meantime, enjoy those mashups. And other than that, enjoy the opportunity I got right here for you. Comment down below. I'll see you next one.